What does red always symbolize, son?
Danger.
Nobody turns me down in this city, Joseph.
Someone very powerful is not happy with me. If anything happens to me, this will explain everything. It is the key to everything.
Keep an eye on that boy. He might know something.
Are you crazy? I shouldn't even be here. What if Mr. Muto finds me?
I have to check on Benjamin. He must be up to no good. That boy has stolen something from me.
Where is the drive?
We have a problem.
Titus, I need you. I don't have the time to convince you, but trust me.
Benjamin, if you are watching this,